Hey everyone, today we're going to separate the transmission from the engine, and then we're going to mount the transmission onto to a transmission stand, and then we're going to remove the oil filter off from the engine and then mount the engine onto the engine stand. Transmission is mounted to the engine on 4 long studs. So to remove the transmission, you have to remove the nuts that are holding the transmission onto the studs. To remove the transmission, you have to just pull on it, wiggle it around, just kind of work it, just to see if you can get it somehow. It'll come eventually. Removing the oil filter is easy. All you have to do is use an oil filter wrench, but you need to remove the oil filter before you mount it on the engine stand. Otherwise, it'll create some interference and you won't be able to mount the engine onto the engine stand. To mount the transmission to the stand, I use a yoke. It's the same kind of a yoke you use to mount the engine to the engine stand. You can buy these yokes places like Pelican. And the engine carrier, which is actually what I'm using for the transmission carrier, I bought at Harbor Freight. It's not the best, but it does the job, gets the job done. We take 2 straps and wrap them around the transmission, and then we take a 3rd strap and attach it to the other 2. And then we use that to attach to the overhead pulley to lift the engine up into the engine stand, or transmission stand in this case. I need to reposition the front strap to level out the transmission so it doesn't tip over. here we have the transmission stick mounted onto the transmission stand. Mounting the engine stand is similar to the transmission. It's the same process. You use a yoke. The only problem is it's a lot more unsteady on engine platforms, so you have to be concerned it might fall over, which unfortunately it's happened to me at least once before. I almost lost it that time. Take the shortest strap and I mount it to the hook that's on the front of the engine. I take the other two straps and I mount them to the engine carrier that's used to mount the engine onto the car. Can't believe it, I almost lost it again. I'm not going to lie, this whole process is kind of scary. There's no better feeling than when the wheels of that engine stand touch the ground. Well, we did it. It wasn't pretty, but we did it.